Hey, it's Travis again, and welcome back to my kitchen. And today I've got for you an unboxing video. I'm going to unbox box wine. My wife has given up alcohol for January. It's part of her New Year's resolution, health and stuff. I'm not joining her. And I thought, what a great time to try box wine, because I've heard some good things about it. Because I wanted something that was budget friendly, that would stay fresh longer, and that would taste good. I looked up this Vinvault Merlot from California, and it's got an 87 in Wine Enthusiast, which I consider myself a wine enthusiast. So I'm going to try it and let you know how it tastes. First I have to open it. Open here to unlock flavor. Let's do that. Alright, pull up the spigot. There's a little seal under there we have to pull off. There we go. Wine's all vacuum sealed the bag. And now we pour. Make sure it's out over the counter, because otherwise you can't get your glass under it. There we go. Nice color. And let's taste. Oh, nice fruity aroma. You know, it's pretty good. It's fruity. There's not like, doesn't have that weird bite you get from some of your more inexpensive wines. And you know, if you like me and you like to try inexpensive wines, you know what I'm talking about. It's good. It's very drinkable, smooth. I think it's a buy. And I got this on sale at my grocery store for $13.99. It's 4 bottles. So that means you're paying just under $3.50 per bottle. Something to think about when you're budgeting. And you like to drink wine, like I do. So, I recommend this buy, and I think that you should do too. So, stay classy, my friends.